Good morning, everyone. My name, for those who do not know me, my name is Nyaka Lagoke. I'm from the Ivory Coast, and I teach at Lincoln University. I do history and Pan-African studies. And this morning, I am here as the representative of the Convention for Pan-Africanism Progress, and also as one of the initiators of a new platform that we are putting together, which is called the New Dawn Vision. And I just wanted to explain that in 2007, we launched a platform called the Revival of Pan-Africanism Forum, with a number of friends. I cannot mention all of them, but surely I can mention Heather Beno, who is here. She's one of the speakers. And then who is the member? Who is the member? Please mute yourself. Sometimes we have some technical issues. We may not be able to mute everyone. And then we've Heather Beno, who is a member of Party for Socialism and Liberation. And then Friends of the Congo with Maurice Kane, the Socialist Workers' Party, the All African People's Revolution Party, represented by my friend, Dr. Mjiba, and then the Pan-African Community Action, and many other groups. We organized a series of conferences in the DC area from the Pan-Africanist perspective. In 2012, we launched a Thomas Sankara Annual Conference, and then later on, we launched another series of conferences in order to show solidarity and support to Cuba that contributed to the decolonization of Africa. So we call that one Cuba, Africa and the World. And then this is what we've been doing. And then after a number of conferences organized by Dr. Mjiba Freyworth in Ghana, then we decided that we were going to put together a Pan-African organization in order to coordinate various Pan-African initiatives. And then we called that movement Convention for Pan-Africanism Progress. The acronym is identical to the acronym of a party that Kwame Nkrumah launched, and with which it ignited Pan-Africanism on the continent of Africa. Now we see that there are many things that are happening on the continent of Africa. There was the creation of the BRICS, and then today we will be talking about that. And then many things, again, world powers and emerging powers, all of them are going back to Africa and competing for the resources of Africa. And then we thought that it was important, as we are seeking to build a universal alliance for the sovereignty of all people, and particularly for the continent of Africa, that it was important for us to launch a new platform, which we call the New Dawn Vision, in order to promote internationalism and show solidarity with other people who are fighting for the same thing, and also in order to secure the support of those who have the heart in the right place and who are willing to support freedom and justice in different parts of the world, particularly in Africa. So that's why we're here. So I acknowledge the presence of Yao Noel, who is the president of UJPLA. It is a network of journalists. I am a member of that network. It's a network of African journalists. I acknowledge the presence of my mentor and my boss, Dr. Zizwe Po. I acknowledge the presence of Dr. Safro, who is in the Department of History and Philosophy, a philosopher at Lincoln University. And I thank you, all my friends who are here, those who want to support, those that did not know who are here. Quentin, thank you so much for always being there. And then thanks for Milton, who interviewed me last time about this project. And then I'm glad we're here. We're going to have a nice conversation. And we want to do that at least 2 times a month. So from different perspectives, we're going to have conversations after conversation as we try to build like a stronger network of like-minded people who want to do the right thing, because the future of Africa is at stake. And then we're going to have that conversation. So this morning, we're going to have 2 speakers. Heather Beno, I've already mentioned her name. a great friend, great activist, wonderful speaker. Then she's going to talk about the Afro-Asian solidarity, and then the South-South cooperation, and then from struggle to the right to development. And then Paseka Farumele, a founding member of the Convention for Pan-Africanism and Progress, and who is also an academic in South Africa, is going to talk about BRICS and from an Afrocentric perspective. So I will start with Paseka, and then, yes, we listen to you, Paseka. You have 10 good minutes, and then after, you present, then, we can have questions, answers, and so that it can be a lively conversation. 10 minutes, Paseka.